You know Slazzer, your automatic background removal tool? We already know you love it, but it's time for an elevation. Upgrading to Slazzer 3.0 with lots of new cool features for designers, corporates, and all. Yeah, you heard it right. Processing speed is now 5 times faster, so it will be just a pinch of a moment. But what about accuracy? We have erased 99% of errors with advanced detailing. Heighten the precision in all image categories for people, products, and animals. Slazzer will give you great results every time. Easily integrate across popular platforms like Zapier, Figma, Photoshop, and more. Slazzer 3.0 is built to accelerate your photo editing workflow and take your productivity to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Try it out today for free.